Molly's playing keep away. And that is Reese and Tate. Reese, Tate, and Molly. Hi, Molly! Oh no, this is Tate. So who's that over there? Who's that over there, Tate? You want to come up here? He's a homebody. He wants to always be inside. Tate. Oh, attack. There's Moose. Reese. Charlie. Mommy. Tate. They still think they can nurse. Oh, what are you barking at? Who are you barking at? Reese? I mean, no, it's Tate. Tate! What? Reese, Moose, and Tate are all going home tomorrow and Monday. And then I'm keeping Charlie and Purple Girl and Red Girl for training. Extra training. Moose! There's the pool and the old crate. Aww. That was Moose and Tate playing tug of war. Not Tate. He won. Daisy, come on. What are you eating over there?